Today we are making braised Chinese belly pork. Well, we need belly pork. You get that from anywhere from the supermarket. And then chopped ginger, chopped garlic, spring onion, just use the root, Sichuan peppercorn, dried chili, aniseed, cinnamon, clove. They're the main ingredient for cooking it. Right. First of all, leave the skin on and put the belly pork into dice, because when you cook them, it will reduce in size. So cut them a bit bigger, doesn't matter. Once you cut the pork, you've got all your ingredients ready. Heat the pan up, but don't put anything in until it's hot enough to put oil in, otherwise everything will get stuck onto the pan. Put a touch of oil in. How do you know when it's hot enough? When you see the oil running down onto the side quickly, that's when it means it's hot enough. Don't put any meat in until it's hot enough to put it in. So, and then you should just put one in it first. So basically what we're doing is we want to seal the pork up before we do any stewing. When the pork turns slightly brown, that's when it's ready to do the next stage. See, the pork is slightly changed colour now and the liquid that's coming out from the pork. Right, when it's ready, if you can see the crust on the pork, slightly a bit crust on there, then it's ready. Next way is you have to drain it out. There's a lot of excess oil coming out from the belly pork. And you see the amount of the fat and the oil coming from the pork itself. Once you remove the pork, have a clean pan or wok, and then once again heat it up again, and put lots of oil in, and just wait a bit again. What you put in first is the garlic and the ginger. Just wait until it's slightly brown before you put the pork back in again. Once you start cooking the ginger and garlic, you got to smell it, and then you put the pork in. And then you put your dry spice in. aniseed, cinnamon, clove, peppercorn, and the dried chili, just break it up. You got to smell all the dry spice and then ginger and garlic. Put about half a litre of water in there. But do not put any seasoning in yet, because as the water evaporates, you get really, the flavour will be a lot more salty, concentrate. Put some wine in. Some yellow bean sauce, about 2 teaspoons will do. Oyster sauce. And soy sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. About half a tablespoon or so. Wait for about 20 minutes. Simmer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
You can see the sauce is being caramelized, the sugar. Put some sesame oil. Just let it simmer a bit more until you reduce all the sauce. You see the sauce getting thicker now. Just wait until it caramelize a bit more. And now you use the green of the spring onion to do a bit of colour. And I'll put a bit more wine in. Reducing the sauce on here. You just boil some water to brown some Bok Choi. Keep stirring, otherwise the bottom going to stick to the pan. And put some Chinese red vinegar. I would say about 2 tablespoons. And let it simmer for another 5-10 minutes, or until the meat is like really soft. It's all depending how you like to eat your meat. The water starts to boil now. Put a bit of salt in it. And a touch of oil. So you give the vegetable a bit of a glaze. Once the water reboil after you put the vegetable in, and don't forget, in Chinese cooking, all the vegetable is all have to be a bit crunchy, so you don't want to overboil them. Even when you take the veg out of the water, it still continuously cooking. Okay, let that drip dry a bit. So basically what you do is you look at the texture of the sauce. You see, it's got a lot of tangy sauce. Right, it's done now. So what you do, because there's a lot of fat coming. That's it, take that because a lot of fat coming out from the belly pork itself. You don't want to eat all that. So basically, you pick all the meat up. Put it in the bowl. Put it in. And then put some more sauce on top. And finishing with some spring onion garnishing. Braised Chinese belly pork.